Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video we are going to have a BTC analysis, as well as we will taking a look on a few altcoins which are trending and which will be beneficial for the trading. So we will be taking a look first of all on BTC chart. Let me open BTC chart here. BTC chart, BTC recently pumping very hard and longers have great profits, and you can see here trend is fully uptrend. Going with the trend is always plus point. We will analyze two time frames. First is 4 hour and second is 1 day. So we will have a clear confirmation that trend is actually where we want to go and how we can take trade on the basis of 4 hour time frame and 1 day time frame. Let me open first 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. We have drawn one resistance level and it has updated recently in recent video, as well as I have shared many updates regarding BTC and altcoins in the Telegram channel as well as Twitter. In this scenario of 4 hour chart, price is exactly tested our zone which was necessary, which was a sell point, and bears tried very well to pull down, but you can see here bear was tried but bear's count was very less. That's why it was not able to sustain that level and bulls finally pulled up, and you can see a great move. This is a very good candle at resistance point. If any candles are creating strong on the resistance point, then it might be huge, because there are no sellers. We can consider almost no sellers because sellers count is very less as compared to the buyers count. Buyers are very strong here. We have like this one upper trend line and price is flowing on the trend line. Trend is uptrend, that's why we are not looking for the short. Even if it's breaking down, we will not take immediate short because we need proper lower lows confirmation, proper downtrend confirmation. After that we can take trade. Now what will happen in coming hours / days? Now current price action is following this trend line. Price is above the trend line. Even if it's breaking down, if bulls are high, bulls are strong, then still it will go to the upper line. Okay, so if the buyers are strong, it can easily trap to the sellers. If the sellers are strong, it can easily trap to the buyers. So this is the scenario of the liquidation stop loss hunt game, and we have to stay away with these types of fights. Right now we cannot take any trade. Even we cannot consider this as a support or resistance level, because if it's really broken upside, then it will do like this, some bullish consolidation, then another move up. In this scenario we can prepare for the long, but after some the proper confirmation. But I will not suggest you any type of short trade because trend is full on uptrend. We will not be going against the trend. That's why 4 hours seems good for the long, and we will be find more good zones for the buy and sell. You can connect me on Twitter, as well as you can easily connect me on here Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is provided in the video's description. Simply go and check the link. This channel is free of cost. Here you will get free setups, free trade setups, so you don't have to pay anything to join the channel. Also stay tuned with the YouTube channel. Here on YouTube channel you will get very important and deep analysis of the Bitcoin as well as altcoin. Now let's turn to the 1 day chart. 1 day chart will give you more confirmation than the 4 hour chart. Now how actually scenario is going in the 1 day chart. 1 day last liquidity zone, or we can capture this resistance level in the rectangle form. Here we go. In the rectangle form there is a clear breakout and retest. Price is exactly following the scenario of the breakout. These bulls are very strong. We cannot ignore these bulls, because if bulls are strong on the higher time frame, then it can be more effective for the bulls. Still it will try to give some confidence to the sellers and again trap and go up. So here possibilities have more for the bulls, but we cannot go with the bears because there is one more bullish news ongoing with the BTC which is nothing but a BTC halving. When BTC halving comes, we can see some, the bearish consolidation. After that, we can see huge movement. That's a historical mark, so we cannot ignore the fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. If you go with the 250 EMA, still price is following above, the breakout of the 50 EMA. So these types of consolidation is going on the 1-day chart. There is very clear indication that buyers are strong and trend wants to go more upside. So in this scenario, we will be find the long opportunity. Even price has this type of growth, we can go with the longers by finding an opportunity. Now let's take a look step by step on altcoins. First, we will check XAI USDT. XAI USDT is performing very well. We had captured so many trades on the Twitter. Here you can see lot of updates have been shared, profit losses, complete details have been shared here. Recently we had a great trade in UMA. We will discuss about UMA as well. Right now we will be checking the XAI. XAI coin has good fundamental and we can consider this coin for the futures trading because coin has a good liquidity. Currently it has following small resistance level, but trend is uptrend, so it can trap to the sellers, again will go up. So before taking any trade, make sure to analyze the trend. If trend is making like this instant up, it will go instant down directly or indirectly. If trend is making like this, high then low, high low, high low, and making a upper trend line, then we can consider this trend is pure uptrend and it can trap anytime to the sellers. That's why going with the trend is always plus point. We have to make sure that these structures are very much important for the making predictions of downtrend or uptrend. If trend is going straight up, it will come straight down. If trend is going like this, then pure bulls are entering at the trend line support. So we can go with this trend line with this type of structures. So in XAI we can see one more bullish move. Yes, this move is also depend on the BTC move going to hit the lower zone. Then XAI also give us a small bear zone. So right now there is no any symptoms that bears are entered in BTC or XAI. So we can make a prediction that XAI can go more up in coming time. You can go with the spot trading with proper stop loss because it has one more bullish momentum can be possible, and put stop loss below 0.9765. If you are keeping like this support, if you are keeping like this stop loss, we can consider one more bullish move. In APT we cannot see any strong uptrend movement. It can be considered a little bit uptrend, but it has a lot of logical liquidity points. That's why I'm not going to consider this level as uptrend, but still I'm not going to consider even the downtrend because it has very low liquidity. That's why we can wait for this support test. After support, if it's giving a bullish formation, then hold on for the long position and place stop loss below 8.361. Depends on liquidity how it is generating. If it's creating like this, generating liquidity and going up, we will keep our stop loss on last lower low. So that's the game of liquidity, that's the game of avoiding stop loss hunt. We can keep last low or last high as a stop loss. So in this scenario we have to wait for the long opportunity in APT. Now let's take a look on ZETA. ZETA coin is also very much performing recently. Here we go, it has pumped a recent high almost 120%. That's huge. Coin has 2x growth. Now what are the expected level in ZETA coin? ZETA is also following strong uptrend. If you go with the 1 hour chart, you will see the clear candles that bulls are very high than the bears. Bulls are taking 30% move, bears are taking 5% move. So it can be considered for the bullish momentum. Now trend will flip at the 1 point, and 1 point is nothing but a strong extreme level. It can be support or it can be resistance, right? So currently we cannot see any bear momentum, so that's why we cannot consider this as a resistance as well. We need a strong sell pressure, strong liquidity at this point where it is creating the resistance point. As of now it is not considered because trend has pure bullish momentum and we cannot go against the trend. We will wait if it's creating like this, and if it's creating like this, if sell pressure is showing some lower lows, and after the liquidity of the higher point we can consider it can go lower down. So it's the game of liquidity. To understand this game of liquidity you need lot of experience, lot of candles, the analysis. After the analysis and after the proper experience you can expect predictions of 50% to 60%. After lot of experiences you can gain only 60, 70, 50% accuracy in this cryptocurrency market. So if anyone claiming you that they will give you 90%, 80% accuracy, then that's scam. Be aware with the scammers. We cannot make more than 50, 60, 70% accuracy in this cryptocurrency trading. Still we can make good money. How? Let me give you some very important tips for the trading. On Twitter I have shared very important trading instruction page. With this trading instruction page you can start your cryptocurrency trading journey. Before taking any trades, instructions should follow. Your small mistake can lead 100% loss. Trading instructions, here you will get straight trade entries, pre-trade alerts. You can join our trade squad on Square. Make sure you are following risk management proper instructions. Now the main points: be assured with the 1:2 risk reward. Minimum 50% win rate is also okay. If you are capturing 1:2 risk reward ratio, then it's a very good game for you. 50% win rate is also very good, but target should be 1:2. If you are keeping 5% stop loss, your take profit should be 10%. Then you are a big winner. And involve just 1% capital in each trade. That's how trading works. Your confidence will be remainder and you will have a lot of opportunity and you will be able to grab that opportunity. For example, TIUSDT, I have shared this signal. Stop loss was 5% and take profit was expected 8%. It was little bit manageable, that's why I have shared. Risk reward ratio is 1.51%. This trade is still running here. Here you can see since entry we had some good profits. If you are holding this coin, holding this trade, then you have made 5% without leverage. If you are using 2x leverage, then it's about 10% profit. This trade is also shared on the Twitter account. Here you can see this is a trade alert on 11th Feb. Still trade is running. Not only this, I have shared rows. This trade has eaten on stop loss. It was shared yesterday. Let me update it post later on Twitter. We have some stop losses also. ARB ruined the trend by BTC. Here you can see trend is exactly gone against me. Dusk also gone. UMA worked up very fine here. UMA has very good potential and I had captured that long position, and if you have followed with 5x, then 60% gain has been made. ZETA stop loss hit. We will cover this accuracy in coming days. Okay, we have to stay tuned with the market, stay tuned with the risk management, then only we can get this opportunity. Now TIUSDT trade is running. We can wait for this support test. After support test we can prepare for the long position. Till then just hold on for the targets, and after targets we will be seeing the next move. TIUSDT doing very nice. MANTA USDT, this coin also have very much volatility. We can use this volatility for the futures trade. Coin has liquidity, good liquidity, but still it has some long wicks. That's fine because BTC also doing some volatility activities. That's why we can expect some movement of candles wicks Okay, so we have to stick with the stop loss. That's a necessary point. In the MANTA, price is following a square box zone. It is just a range market. In range market, anything happens. Even it can trap to the down levels and go up. Possibilities. Okay, it can go like this from. It can go from the support to the upper level, or it can go down and upper level. So range market is completely unpredictable. In simple words, we have to wait for the breakdown till this strong support. This is strong support. We can trust this support, because after this support test we can see a small momentum of 5%, 10% is easily possible. So that's why wait for correct opportunity and grab the opportunity. I hope you guys are understood today's video. Today we have covered BTC analysis, XAI USDT analysis, APT USDT analysis, ZETA USDT analysis, TI USDT analysis, and MANTA USDT analysis. Total 5 altcoins have been discussed in this video. I hope you guys are understood complete video. If you guys are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, Telegram channel, as well as you can follow me on Twitter account. Here you will get free of cost crypto alerts, crypto trades on time. So if you stay here, it will be more beneficial for you. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video.